Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Arwinda Arifin. You can call me Winda, NPM 2024 511015. In lesson 1, learned how to compare two populate using comparative activity. This lesson explains how activity changes astal becoming short, becoming store, and irregular forms like good, becoming better. It also introduces characteristics I handsome, pretty, rich, and helpful. I add lesson there is accessories to risk competent popular and caption openings. Lesson 2 but as everything else. In lesson 2 the focus is on discovering white popular hive padim vocabulary in Friday comparisons. Through deal and critics we learn how creeps white comment has or does not I using content grammar. This lesson also help improve speaking and listening skills in English. Lesson 3 which city do you like better than your English? In lesson 3 I learned how to compare to please or to kiss. This lesson in comparative forms to expressions as which city is bigger, more interesting, or more comfortably in as status us how, and to experiment opinions by asking questions I like which city do you like better. This lesson help improve our comprehension and discussion skill in English. Lesson 4 this job is my big break. In lesson 4 the topic is about jobs, chart, and corporations in life where learn new corporation reality work group and who to tell about important and opportunities. The dialogues in this lesson help me understand how English is used in work related and everyday situations. Lesson 5 I think my mother is most fine person IQ. In lesson 5 I write about superlative adjectives. Wise are us do describe someone or smoking as they has or they bets a group. Emblems include they cleanse the oldest and they most fine. His lesson teaches us how to describe people or things using superlative forms and phrases to practice them in daily comprehensions. Lesson 6 how have you ever been to our theme park? In lesson 6 I read about the presence and specie of talking about life impression we store to from and process with what like ever and never through dialogues and increases we practice asking and answer questions about experience such as water, smells, however visited and black or dine and particularly city. Lesson 7 I can wait. In lesson 7 I learned how express and excitement, hopes and future plans. His lesson introduced useful impression for talking about event they were looking forward to. I lost help improve to speaking skill through confidence about future activity. Lesson 8 Gone away island lesson 8 day topic is about travel plans and further activity we learn experiences I trip and activities during the journey. His lesson arose into this travel relate corporate and helps us community more confident in over their students. Lesson 9 of our invention I got. Lesson 9 I continued learning about the present tense to talk about experience. This lesson introduced word shoes. I ever already and yet, but this grammar in us previous vocabulary relate to unique word in unusual experience. His lesson has us ask and answer questions about personal experience more natural. Lesson 10 Lesson 10 we have to her. Lesson 10 Ireland who told us have to and must to express obligations and reflection we prejudice giving instructions and speaking rules and talking about duties different situations. This lesson as important can speaking skill through everyday confrontations. Lesson 11 is good for you. Lesson 11 level couple and corruption led to get and reference list is lesson influence the effort to of eating food and fair regular and making good habits is ours. Teaches us how give and quality in English. Lesson 12 Call you do my for. In lesson 12 how to ask for and offer her fleety. We studied experience us and skill you and wall you as well as operating and responding to requests through dialogues and increase. This is first to English evaluations. Lesson 13 If I want the latter. In lesson 13 I learned about Gideon's tips to want to I wish to talk about important distance. The part The pointer is if simple pants were wrap for impression. If I want to a lotter I has experience themes opus and evidence situans. Lesson 14. What will you do? I lesson 14 continued learning about conditional tense TP1 step type TP3 with I found giving of near on squad in my students we plastic plastic and wearing conscious I what will you do if this lesson also develop critical thinking and speaking skill. Lesson 15. I wish for I wish call free. In lesson 15 I learn how to us wish to express hopes, regrets, or situations they are different from reality and plans include I wish I had more free time. I wish I could feel his lesson has experiment express or fluency and this is more natural in English. Lesson 16. Review and practice. In lesson 16, we review all the materials from the four lessons. We practice important topics such as complexity and activity, separate activities, the present tense up to conditional tenses and which they expresses in this lesson help up able to all understanding of everything we have learned to grant the cross. Sekian, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.